Sir Paul McCartney has been a cultural phenomenon for almost 60 years, and his electrifying live performances never fail to wow. But the ex-Beatle still has a fear of one artist, despite his ambitions to work with them, and that is no small feat. In an online Q&A with fans, McCartney said that he frequently considers forming a collaboration with Bob Dylan. Although he is uncertain whether a duet with Dylan will ever come to fruition, he did reveal that Dylan is someone who often crosses his mind as a possible duet partner. There has been prior indication from McCartney that he would want to collaborate with Dylan. He did remark that the notion has long fascinated him, but that it has not yet materialized in an earlier Reddit AMA. Not surprisingly, given Dylan's renowned career and mysterious personality, McCartney feels uneasy about approaching him. While speaking with the Penguin podcast, McCartney discussed his anxiety while in the company of certain individuals, Dylan among them. He said he was nervous about the conversation and didn't know how to start. Although this was the case, McCartney remembered meeting Dylan at a festival that featured legendary performers like Neil Young and the Rolling Stones. Even though he was nervous, he characterized Dylan as kind and easy to talk to during their encounter. In contemplation of these feelings, McCartney pondered the ephemeral character of self-assurance. He acknowledged that despite his remarkable achievements, he still experiences periods of uncertainty about himself. "You'd think I'd feel secure by now, but it's a human condition," he remarked, reflecting on whether he has genuinely accomplished enough to transcend such thoughts. Working with Dylan was an incredible opportunity for McCartney, and it also served as a sobering reminder of the difficulties that everyone, no matter how successful, faces.